This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, good morning, my dear friends. So let's go ahead with this question. So it's an interesting question where you can learn programming tricks as well. Okay, for this question, I request all of you people to write program as well. Okay, so after class session is completed. Fine, so see that guys, so we have 10 doors. Fine. Okay. All of them are initially closed. You just see the question, this is like 100 doors, fine. Okay, all of them are initially closed. And you have 100 persons available, right? Now, what the first person is doing is he'll open all the doors. Just try to listen to the question, friends. We have 100 doors, 100 persons are available. What first person is doing? He'll go and open all the doors. Second person is going for the door numbers, which are multiples of 2's. Second person is going for the door number, which are multiples of 2's, like door 2, door 4, door 6, door 8, door 10, up to door 100, only even numbers. What he'll do, if the door is open, he'll close it. If the door is closed, he'll open it. Toggle work. Okay, toggle is like reverse, complement. If it is open, he'll close. If it is closed, he'll open. Right, reverse position. Then what third person will do? Third person will go for the door numbers which are multiples of 3, like door 3, door 6, door 9, door 12, so on up to door 99. What he will do also, if the door is open, he will close it. If the door is closed, he will open it. Like that, all persons, 100 persons is performing their job. At the end, how many doors are open and what are the door numbers? Right? Okay, this type of question then ask you in TCS code detail also. You are playing the program. How many doors are open? I want the program output. If I give any value, number of doors, number of persons, your program should give the output. How many doors are open or what are the door numbers open? Both we have to give programming. Okay. Right. So 100 doors, 100 persons. Fine. So see that. Hope you understand the question. Once again, I'll repeat that. You have 100 doors, 100 persons are available. What first person will do? He'll go and open all the doors. Okay, second person, he'll go for the door numbers which are multiples of 2's, like door 2, door 4, door 6, door 8, door 10, so on up to door 100. And what he'll do, if the door is open, he'll close it. If the door is closed, he'll open it. Reverse what toggle what they are doing. Then what is the third person doing? Third person will go for the door numbers which are multiples of 3's. Door numbers which are multiple of 3's, like door 3, door 6, door 9, door 12, so on up to door 99. Door 3, door 6, door number 9, door 12, door number 15, so on up to door number 99. The door is open, he'll close it. The door is closed, he'll open it. Like that, 100 persons they did their job. At the end of this entire process, how many doors are open? Okay, and what are the door numbers? This is the question, and a few people already responded for that. Good to see that, right? Okay, now let's see this, friends. Let's see how you people should analyze this. See, in programming point of view, also, when 100 rows, 100%, if you want to perform this puzzle, such interesting puzzle, okay, you can't do on paper 100 doors, 100%. What's the best way is you just go with 10 doors, 10%. See, on paper, 100 doors, 100% is difficult to do. What is happening? Okay, what we have to do? Okay, that's a difficult task. What I'll do instead of that, 100 doors, 100%, I'll go with a small number. Okay, instead of 10 doors, also I'll go for 6 doors, 6%. The question is 100 doors, 100% are available, but I'm going with 6 doors, 6%, right? How can you analyze? See, suppose door 1, door 2, door 3, door 4, door 5, and door 6. 6 doors, and you have 6%. So, person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, you have 6 doors, 6 persons are available. Now this, as per the question, what is the analysis? First person will open all the doors. See this. First person, okay, visit, he will open all the doors. Because initially all doors closed. Okay, first person will go and open all the doors. That's here O stands for open. O stands for open. Okay. Here O represent open, C represent close. Consider O represent open and C represent close. Okay. Now fine. First person will go and open all the doors. Okay. What second person will do? He'll go for the door numbers which are multiples of 2's, like door 2, door 4, door 6. What he'll do? If door 2 is open, he'll close it. Okay. For open, as it is open, it is closed. See, he'll go for second person will go for the door numbers which are multiples of 2's only. As it is open, he'll close it. What about remaining? Remaining, he don't disturb. Second person, he don't disturb the remaining doors. So previous status will continue. What third person will do? He'll go for the door numbers which are multiples of 3's. What are that? Door 3 and door 6. What is door 3? It is open, he'll close it. Door 6 is closed, he'll open it. See, third person will disturb the door numbers which are multiples of 3's only. If it is open, he'll close. If it is closed, he'll open. Right? Remaining, he don't disturb. So remaining is like first, remaining he don't disturb. So first is open, second is closed, fourth is closed, fifth is open. He don't disturb the remaining doors. Right? Very good. Now fourth person, what he'll do? He'll go for the door numbers which are multiples of 4's. Only one door is multiple of 4 here. As it is closed, he'll open it. As this close, he'll open it. Remaining doors, he don't disturb, so don't worry about the remaining. Now, what about 50%? He'll go for the door 5, multiple of 5, right? So, as this open, he'll close it. As this open, he'll close it. Remaining doors, he don't disturb. Let's keep the remaining as this. Fine. What about 60%? He'll go for the door 6. As this open, he should close it. Remaining doors, he don't disturb. Right. That's now after this entire process, because question is for 100 doors, 100%. Okay, but I perform because on paper, if you want to analyze 100%, 100 doors. Okay, it's not possible. We have to go with the small number. That's why 6 doors, 6% I perform. Now, what we came to know at the end of this analysis is what are the door numbers open, my dear friends. So, door 1 is open, door 4 is open. For 6 doors, 6%. For 6 doors, 6%. What are the door numbers open? Doors open is, in fact, door numbers, okay, open is door 1 and door 4. Friends, 1 and 4 are perfect squares. What we have to analyze now, these are perfect squares. So finally, I can decide that only perfect squares are open. That's what the logic. 6 doors, 6%. Okay, I came to know only 1 and 4 are open. 2 doors opened. Okay, fine. But what are the door numbers is 1 and 4 perfect squares. Now guys, this is how. See, when you are entering into software company, when you have big project also, first try to go with the small module. You should analyze that small module. Once you are good with that, once you analyze that small module, okay, then you can apply for the big. That's what you people do in the final year. You will do mini projects and all. Okay, we'll just try with the demo piece. If it is working successfully, then we can implement for the big. So you have to do trial and error with the small numbers. You can't do 100 doors, 100% on paper within the given time. You can't perform that, right? So that's why I'll go with the small number. I'll try to analyze that, and finally I came to know only two doors are open. That's 1 and 4. What I analyzed from 1 and 4 is perfect squares, right? Now, guys, what you can do as these 100 doors, 100%, 100 doors, 100%. Okay, what are perfect squares up to that is 1, 4, 9, 16, okay, 81 and 100. Okay, 10 doors open as Bhargav and Devendra rightly mentioned. Okay, two people are excellent. So these are what? 10 doors are open. What are the door numbers is 1, 4, 9, 16, 81 and 100. Excellent, Sai Priyanka. Devendra 437, 225 Sai Priyanka, 532 Bhargav. Excellent. Okay. Happy to see that you people answered. Okay. Now, friends, whether you are understanding the concept or not, let me check. If suppose question is 200 doors, 200%. Okay. Now, how many doors are open and what are the door numbers? Guys, let me know what are the door numbers open and how many doors are open. If it is 200 doors, 200%. Yes. If it is 200 doors and 200%, let me know. Okay. How many are open and what are the door numbers? Friends, are you there? Yeah, please respond, guys. I have 200 doors, 200 persons. How many doors are open? What are the door numbers? Excellent, GM Bhargav. 14 doors are open. Devendra, 20 is wrong. This is where people will do wrong. See, what are the perfect squares up to 200? Perfect squares up to 200 is 196, 14 square. Right? So, 1 square, 2 square up to 14 square. This is up to 10 square, 1 square, 2 square up to 10 square. Okay, up to that number, perfect square. So 14 doors open. My dear friends, this is how we have to do. Guys, all of you, just try. If you understand this, if you are good in syntax, you people can try the program, whether it is Python or C or Java. Just try to go with the program. If my input is, okay, number of doors equal to number of persons. If I give number of doors equal number of persons. For this question, machine should be number of doors equal to number of persons. Okay, 20 doors wrong, Vinita, because I given only 200 doors, right? Last number is 200. You can't go up to 400, right? I given 200 doors, 200 persons. Up to 200, what the perfect squares we have to calculate, Vinita? Okay, fine. So 14 doors are open. This is how you people should understand. Say, I know among 140 who are available now here, hardly 60 to 70 people only understand this question. But those who understand, you can feel proud of yourself, and you people are very much fit for software company. Those who are not, you just try to analyze that. This type of analysis is required. The subject quantitative aptitude is not just like, okay, going with the formula and applying. Okay, it's not only about that. You need to analyze. Okay, so for the given question, if you can analyze like this, you people can become a better programmer. See, our college aim is not like, okay, just you people are selected for the company. No, you people should stay in the company, because a lot of people in a lot of colleges they may select for the company, but guys, you just try to understand. Once you selected to the company, that's not finalized. Once you enter into the company, first 2 to 3 months you people have training. Once training is completed, again they'll conduct some test. If people are not clearing that, you people are fired out of the company. You people are fired. You people are nowhere in that company. Okay, then that's a tactic situation, okay, where people will be struggling. You may think that you have got the offer, but once you got the offer, it's not yet finalized. If people have some training. After training, again you have some trust in the company. Okay, then your offer will be, you people will be stick on the company. Otherwise, after 3 months, you should quit the company. So our aim is you people should be stick on for that. If you have this type of analysis in your mind, you people can stay in the company for a long time. Right? Excellent, guys. Very good to see that. Let's go to the next. Yes, so let's go for the next topic, friends. So Venn diagram concept, right? So it's a bit easy for people to understand this. Imran, you just arrived and this was an excellent puzzle. You just try to get it from your friends. Such a good concept-oriented puzzle that is. Okay, those who missed, okay, it's your bad luck, in fact, to say. Okay. Because you people required to analyze that type of knowledge is required going forward. Okay, that's how, let's say, this Venn diagram concept. So we have three models in this topic, three types of questions they're asking topic. Okay, only first model, one model is important for your placements point of view. Among these three models, one model is important for placements, and two models are important for government sector. Okay, the remaining two models they'll ask only in government jobs. Your placements, okay, only one model is sufficient actually, but I'll discuss all the three models, okay, because some of you people may apply for SSCJE. Okay, some of you people may be aim to go for okay electrical AE post and all, right? Okay, just try to encourage those people, bank exams and all also. You people can plan. Okay, it's your choice, right? Now guys, let's see this Venn diagram concept. Okay, so today's topic Venn diagram. Once this is done, I'll go for averages concept. Once average is done, we'll go for ages concept. These are all small topics. Once I finish, okay, then we'll go for that. Two more topics we need to focus is percentages concept, data interpretation. Then followed by the number system. Percentages concept, data interpretation, followed by number system. If this is done, majority of your syllabus is completed. Okay, so which is important for all competitive exams is completed. Okay. Now guys, let's say this Venn diagram concepts. Fine. Now guys, okay, I'll just go ahead with the problems. Don't worry because there is nothing introduction required for this actually. Okay, let me go ahead with directly problems, guys. Okay, no introduction is actually required for this. Now, guys, let's see the question. Okay, and we'll just try to analyze. In questions, I'll give that. I frame the questions in such a way where people can learn something from the questions. Okay, don't worry about that point. Now, friends, see this. In a school of 1,000 students, 300 students play chess, 600 students play football, 50 students play both chess and football. We have 1,000 students. Okay, fine. Out of 1,000 students, they are discussing about okay chess. How many are playing chess is 300 students are playing chess. How many are playing football is 600 are playing football. Okay, 50 students play both. Fine. But what is the total number of students is 1,000. What is the total number of students is 1,000. That's all of you. Just focus now. I don't want to entertain your formulas N of A and B, all those. I don't require. Just all of you. If you require, you can just note down the formula before going for that. I don't want to apply this. So we know N of A and B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Why you should do minus and all, I'll discuss in the problems. Don't worry about that. Why you should do minus. All this we'll discuss in the problems, how the formula is developed. In fact, I don't want to use this formulas as well. In questions going forward, I don't use this formulas. Okay, just this is for your understanding purpose. I am writing the formula, but I don't want to use this. Okay, so N of A and B, this is what N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Why you should do minus, that also we'll discuss anyhow. Okay, N of A and B and C is N of A plus N of B plus N of C. Again, why minus and why you have to do plus, that is also anyhow we'll discuss in the problems directly. Okay, because when you have the values, you can analyze the things better. You can understand the things better when it is with the values. Directly, if I draw some diagram and I will show you, it is time-taking process. If you have value, you can understand better and better. Right? Hope you're taking the screenshot of these two formulas, which you already know, which you are pretty much expertise in these two formulas, right? Now let's go ahead with the questions, friends. Now let's see this, friends. See this Venn diagram concept. Definitely, people can update. People may have good knowledge. I agree. Okay. Now, guys, listen. Okay. See, it's not like I'm just discussing the only questions. You just see there are a lot of points we want to discuss in this. Now, guys, see this. Now, this is entire 300. The circle is entire 300. Among this area is 550. This is like area. The circle entire area is 300 and this is 50. This is 250. This entire circle is 300. This is 250. This is 50. Now, this entire circle is 600. This is 50 means this is 550. That this is 250. This is 50. This is 550. Sir, what is this 250? Who are playing only chess? Only chess is 250. What is this 550 is? Only football. 550 is only football. Okay, 250 is this. Now, if you want to find this entire area, I want to find this entire area. 250 plus 50 plus 550 is the total area, which is nothing but 850. So this 850 is okay. They play chess, either chess or football. or both. Either chess or football or both is 850. Either chess or football or both is 850. Fine. Now, in the school, okay, there may be some students who don't play these two, chess and football. They may play only crickets. Okay, or they may don't play any sports. They'll go for some dance or singing and all. Okay. So what is this? Total 1,000 students. 850 are occupied here for football and chess. How many are out of this is 150? Because this entire area is 1,000. 850 is occupied by chess or football or both. Remaining 150 is neither. Those who are not playing is 150, right? So hope you are clear with this. How many are playing neither football or nor chess is nothing but 150 guys, right? So out of 1,000, 850 are belonging to how many are playing chess or football or both, but 150 students are not belonging to these two, right? Hope we are pretty clear with this point. Okay, let us discuss the next one, friends. Fine. Let's go for the second question if you are clear with this point. Right? Excellent. See, some of you people can say that, sir, I know N of A and B, N of chess union football is number of students playing chess, number of students playing football, minus number of students playing chess and football. Yeah, that is nothing but 300 plus 600 minus 50 will also give 850. That's see that. This is using the formula 850. Okay, this is without that. Now, why you are doing minus is here? This 50 is there in common area. We are adding 50 twice. I want to find this entire area. This 50 is included in both. If you don't subtract that, you are counting this 50 double time. That's why we have to subtract. That is why in the formula we have N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Otherwise, we don't need to do minus. Okay. So, but hope you're clear with this point, friends, right? So, 850 is the number of students who are playing either chess or football, and 150 is neither chess or football, right? Neither chess nor football, right? Very good, guys. Okay, let's go ahead with the next question if you are clear with this point, right? Excellent, friends. Now, see the second question. Yeah, friends. So let's go for the next one, friends. So hope you got update in that. Now let's see. This question is also when people every question you people can learn. I'm going with the basic point, then we'll go step by step to next level. Now see this question. Among 150 faculty members in an institute, so have 150 faculty members in an institute, like our VEMU Institute of Technology, we have around 150 faculty members, right? So fine, 150 people is there. Okay, faculty members. Among that, 55 are connected through Facebook and 85 are connected through WhatsApp. So among this, 55 faculty members are having Facebook. Okay, but 85 members are connected through WhatsApp. But see this, 30 faculty members do not have Facebook or WhatsApp account. So I just write this 30 outside. They don't have Facebook or WhatsApp account. Now guys, now friends, let us try to understand. Let's try to understand what is this here. All of you just see this question model is given in CTS or TCS as well. Okay, this type of model they're given in CTS and TCS. Now listen, out of 150, 30 are not there, meaning this area is 150 minus 30, 120. Okay, what is this 120? Facebook or WhatsApp or both? How many are having Facebook or WhatsApp or both is 120. Why? Among 150, 30 is not having this accounts, meaning we have 120 people having Facebook or WhatsApp. Now, this area combined should be 120, but 55 plus 85 if you add, if it is 55 plus 85, it's 140. Guys, listen, if you add 55 and 85, we'll get 140, but you need to get 120, right? So, what is the extra here? 20 extra, the 20 is nothing but common. Listen friends, so this if we add directly 55 plus 85, you will get 140, but here total is 120 only. We want to get what is the extra is 20, that 20 is both. Or else see that N of Facebook union WhatsApp is nothing but equal to 120. What is this is Facebook plus WhatsApp. minus the intersection of Facebook and WhatsApp is equal to 120. You know this is 55, this is 85 minus intersection of both. Now if we just see this, okay, we'll get 20, 140 minus 120, it's nothing but 20. Fine. But friends, that is not the question here. You are not, they're not asking only about that. Now let's say this entire is 20, this is 20, this circle is 55. What is this? Is 35. Okay, 35 is only Facebook. Who are having only Facebook account. Now 85 and this is 20, this is 65. What is this 65 is? Only WhatsApp. What is this 65 is? Only how many having only WhatsApp. What is that 35 is only Facebook. Now see the question, only Facebook, 65 is also there, but question is only Facebook. That words are very much important. Only means inside value. Facebook, if they mention generally, that is outside value. Only Facebook, only WhatsApp is inside. Okay, they normally say Facebook means you should be outside. WhatsApp means you should consider as an outside value. Right? Excellent, guys. Now let's go ahead with the next one. So hope people are clear with this. Right? Let's go for the next friends. Let me see whether people mentioned any doubts. So we have multiple tasks. Okay, along with this, we should check your answers. Very good. Let's see the next question, guys. It's very easy for it's like a practice. Fine. So this is easy. See that 25%. Yes. Very good. Okay, just for your practice purpose. So I have 25%. Okay, this is about hockey and football. Hockey is 50, football is 17. Okay, total 25 people in this circle, right? So total is 25. Now, 10 of them are playing both. 10 of them are playing both. See, first question also we discussed neither are. Same thing again repeated. Okay, just for your practice purpose. Now, say this 15, this is 10, this is 5. Okay, this is 7. What is this 5 is only hockey. What is this 7 is only football. Right. Now, what is this totally now? Area 5 plus 10 plus 7, which is nothing but 22. You want 25 totally. So, 3 people are neither nor. Okay, what is this 22 is? Hockey or Facebook or both. But what is this 3 is? Neither hockey nor football. Neither hockey nor football is what this 3. Right? Excellent, friends. Three persons are neither hockey nor football. Right. Excellent. I see. You have 17, 13 different options are given. You just go ahead with the correct things. Right. Excellent to see that. Let's go for the next. I'm discussing from the basic. Okay. See, it's not about how many number of topics we are discussing. Okay. It's about how many topics you people are pretty much clear. Right. Let's see the next one, friends. See, guys, let's see this. Very good update in this question is, see, this is model 2. Still model 1 is not yet completed, but what is model 1, model 2 is, in model 1, we have to draw a diagram. They given some data. From data, you should draw a diagram. Model 1, some data is given. From that you should draw the diagram and you have to answer the questions. They'll give you some data. From that we are drawing the diagram, right? And then we're answering the questions. But in this diagram is given directly, you should answer the questions. Model 2 is they'll give the diagram in the question and we should be ready to answer that. Okay, so diagram we have to develop in model 1. But this is what important for your placements point of view. Model 1 is important for placements point of view. Where they're given data, you should draw the diagram and you should answer the question. Model 2 is important for your government sector. Okay. Now friends, see this diagram is given. Okay. Now let me know what you people can learn in this. What is this 13? What is 13? Is only read books. 13 is only read books. What is this 19? Only watch TV. Only watching TV. Guys, what is this 12? 12, only reading books and watch TV. Guys, all of you just focus. Okay, that 12 in that is nothing but only read books and watch TV. In fact, the 12 can be mentioned as reading books and watching TV, but not play sports. But not play sports. We can also say that. Reading books and watching TV, but not play sports 12. Or else simply I can say only read book and watch TV. Both are same. Right. Now friends, let me know what is that 17. 17 is only play sports and watch TV. Okay. Or else play sports and watch TV but not read books. But not read books. Like that, you should know what is each and every terminology. Now, guys, anyone among you, can anyone say how many are number of people, how many are reading books and watching TV? Can anyone mention that right now? In chat box, or else you can unmute yourself and answer. How many are number of people who are reading books and watching TV? Anyone? Reading books and watching TV? Aisha? Number of people reading books and watching TV. Divyashree, Gautami, Lavanya, Hema, all your answers are wrong. Till now, 20% they mentioned, but all your answers are wrong. V. Dinesh, 4A7, your answer is correct. 12 plus 7, 19 is what? Because reading books, watching TV, this is the intersection part. Guys, this is the intersection part. You should get 19. Understand. Reading books, watching TV, this is what the intersection, right? Okay, that's what, guys. So, see, for this question, I'm discussing a lot of things. Okay, it's not about only discussing the question, what are the asked. That's not my style. Once I discuss the question, you should know every point in that. Okay, don't discuss the question just like that and we can go for the next one. No. When the given data, you should see everything, look into every corner. Right. Now, first, yeah, as you people mentioned, first let us try to complete this question. Okay, and we'll discuss the things. What is this question exactly? Okay. Meanwhile, all of you please take the screenshot of what we discussed. This 15 is only play sports. This 44 is only reading books and play sports. Only is the word important for you. Now let me go ahead with the next slide. Okay, hope you're taking the screenshot. Let me complete this question. Who like to read books or play sports? Guys, the question is, who like to read books or play sports? Up to now, hope you people understand. Okay, so guys, at any point of time, if you people are not understanding what we were discussing, okay, you just unmute yourself and you can immediately ask the doubt. Feel free, okay, don't hesitate, feel free to ask doubts. Okay, you are my child, you are my near and dear friends. Okay, just try to ask doubts at any point of time. Once all this college is reopened, I'll come reopen. Okay, so I'll come to college, I'll just interact with you people directly. Okay, we have some bond. Okay, we have, as we mentioned, we have a target of more than 100 people among you. We have to place in MNCs. That's what I target for is. That's a minimum targets. It's not only 100, minimum 100. Right? Now, friends, it is. So the question is actually, okay, reading books or playing sports, right? Now, reading books, playing sports, it is. Read, this is 13, 44, 7, 12, 17, 19. This is reading books or playing sports or TV, sorry. Playing sports, right? So I should not go this. Yeah, reading books or playing sports. So because of our, we have to go here. So 7, this is 12, 15, 17. Now, guys, what is this reading books or playing sports? You know, you people, if you have formula, the formula is not applicable now. The formula is not applicable now because values are inside. What you have to do, okay, this is 25. You just need to add this area is 25. Okay, intersection is 51. This 25 is 13 plus 12. What is this 25 is only reading books. As per this question. Okay, it's not for this one. Okay, if you have only play sports, that is 25. And here this is 51 intersection. This is like n of reading books and play sports. Plus 32. Guys, see that this is anyhow 76 plus 32. We have 108. My dear friends, so answer is 108, not 44 at all. Option D, 108. How many are reading books or play sports is 108. But guys, listen. Now, same thing. How many are reading books or play sports but not watch TV? Your answer will be changed. That's all of you focus now. Reading books or play sports but not watch TV. Then if I ask that, okay, this 12. I don't want to consider now 12, 7 and 17. Guys, now see this, but not. If I mention this word, but not watch TV, this 12 is in the TV, 7 is included in TV, this 17 is included, that we should remove. It's only 30 plus 44 plus 15, which is 28 plus 44. Okay, anyhow, we'll get, yeah, excellent, 72. 72. See the difference now. So hope you people can understand the things. Okay, this is how you people learn the concepts, guys. It's not just like you're going with the formula. It's not just like going with the formula. First one is 108. It's not 51 as a lot of people mentioned. Okay, reading books or playing sports but not watch TV is 72. And is different. Guys, see that 51 few people mentioned. 51 is and. Okay, reading books and play sports. That is and difference. Intersection is and. Union is R. If I use union, it's R. Reading books, union meaning R, and meaning intersection. Okay, if I say intersection, reading books and play sports, then okay, I'll agree 44 plus 7. Guys, try to understand that terminology. This is very basic question, a basic topic in fact to say, but I'm taking time here because there are situations where people can understand the concepts because it's not like going with the formula. You people should analyze and people should understand the concepts. Right? Excellent to see that you people are involving more and more. Go ahead, go ahead. Right, let's see the next one, friends. Now, related to the same question, same diagram, I want to discuss few more questions. Okay. Till now, this is okay. This is the first question they asked. Okay. This is the second question what I framed. Okay. This is the third question, in fact, to say. I want intersection of this. Third question. Now, let me discuss few more questions, my dear friends, for the same diagram. That's what when you discuss more questions, you people can understand more and more. You people can understand more and more. Okay. Now let me go for the next. Hope you are done with this page. Hope you're taking this screenshot. Right? Okay. Let's see the next one. Now, guys, suppose if my question is at least how many okay, Okay, this is regarding one activity. How many perform? Only one activity. How many perform? Only one activity. Only one activity. So among this, how many are performing? Only one activity. Now guys, what is your answers? Only one activity. Santosh, 47. Okay. Only one activity. How many perform? Only one activity. This is my fourth question now. Only one activity is this 13 people are performing only reading books, only one activity. 15 people are performing this. Here 19 are doing this. Yeah, very good. 47. Only one activity, right? So mean only reading books, only playing sports, only watching TV, only one amount that they have to perform. It's nothing but 47. Very good. How many perform only one activity? It's nothing but 47. Right. Now, how many perform? How many? It's like students or what? So let's see the data. How many students? In fact, I can mention students as well. Yeah, how many students perform? Perform at most one activity. That's now serious. I am using some word at most. The people should learn the terminologies one by one. At most one activity. How many people perform at most one activity? Maximum one activity. How many are performing at most one activity? Maximum one. Say at most means less than or equal. Maximum. Okay. Maximum one activity meaning so zero activity plus one activity. So there is in this question zero activity is not there. Zero activity means some people may be out of this, right? Suppose if you have a diagram like this and you have some people out of this. This is total. If there is some people out of that, those people are not performing all these three activities. Here zero, no, okay, no activity, performing zero activity or no activity. One activity is 47. Okay, there are 0% as per this question because we don't have the people outside this three. Okay, we don't have that data, so it's only 47. But friends, at least two activities. How many students perform? At least two activities. Now, at least two activities. How many perform at least two activities? And that's while mentioning your answers, you mention question number 6, 5 like that. At least two activities. At least means minimum, greater than or equal. Minimum, greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2 means two activities or three activities. You can't go for 4 activities because this question is only up to 3, right? Now, how many are having 2 activities is this 44 people, okay, this 12 people and this 17 people. 44 plus 12 plus 17 is 2 activities. How many activities is this? 7 or 3 activities. Now, if you just add this, okay, now 56 plus 24. Why see this? Very good. At least 2 activities. Yeah. Kiran Acharya 120 is wrong. It is not at least one. At least 2 activities. At least 2. Only and only activities. 2 activities is how many are performing this? Okay, 40, 12, 17. Okay, 3 activities is this. 7 people are 3 activities. This is how at least, at most. This will end of the session. Okay. If you people are leaving at the session in the middle and if people are adding in the middle, so that's it's hurting me actually. Okay. It will deviate my mind. Okay, what's happening? What's wrong with me? Now people are leaving the sessions, and all of a sudden people will join. This will definitely hurt me, and I can't okay concentrate much as what I thought at initial stage. Fine, let's see the next question, guys. Related model 2 only, then again we'll get back to model 1 and finally we'll discuss model 3 as well. Now, guys, let's see this model 2. Fine, let's see this. Now, which of the statements are true? That's which among the statements are true. Okay, they given the data, which among the statements are true. The most watched sport is tennis. The least watched sport is baseball. More key club members watch tennis than football. Which among these statements is true? Now, guys, all of you just try to understand how many are playing tennis if you want to know. This 16 is only tennis, but if they ask tennis, okay, 16 is only tennis, okay. If they want to find tennis means you should add entire circle value 16 plus 13 plus 5 plus 2, which is nothing but equal to 26. 26 is playing tennis. 26 is playing tennis. Now football is, okay, this is 11 is only football. If you want to know how many play football, okay, is 11 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9. Now see this is 27 now. And baseball, only baseball is 10. Only baseball is 10. If you want total baseball, this entire circle you require 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 10, okay, which is nothing but 24, right? So, yeah, 20, 19, 21 will get 24. Now let me know which is most watched sport. Is it tennis? No, it's football. Football is the one which is most watched because 27 people are there. Football is the most watched sport because more people, most watched. What is least watched is baseball. So second statement is correct. Least watched is correct. Okay, first one is wrong. Tennis is wrong. Now more people watch tennis than football. No, tennis is 26. Football is 27. People watching football more than tennis. People watching football more than tennis. So third statement is also wrong. So only second is true. Only second statement is true. So among this, only second statement is true, my dear friends. Right? Excellent, guys. Now let's go ahead with the next. I am requesting all of you, please stay with us up to the end of the session. Okay. If you want to quit after half an hour or 1 hour, it's not sensible. That half knowledge is not at all required for anything. Okay. Half knowledge is more dangerous. Okay. If you don't have knowledge, if you have full knowledge, okay. If you have half knowledge, that's more dangerous, friends. Okay. Please don't have half knowledge. Okay. Attend for the entire session or don't attend for the session. Let's see the next one, guys. This is what model 3. Okay, important for your government jobs. Okay, just I'll discuss one question. Fine, in this model 3, okay, because this is not at all asking in placements. But as you want to know, okay, what is this one? I'll see. There are 3 words. We should see best diagram which is representing these 3 words. Logical Venn diagram concept, we can say this is. Okay, among these options, which is best representing this logical Venn diagram? Which among these options will best represent this? So, all mothers will come under females. Is it? All mothers will come under females. Boys is totally male gender. This is separate. Okay, all mothers will come under females category, right? Okay, boys is no way intersection for that. That is why option C. That's it. So for the given question, which is the logic we can apply? Which is the logic we can apply? Right? Do you understand this? Good. Now, suppose, okay, if question is females, mothers, doctors, females, mothers and doctors, you don't have the diagram in the options to represent that. Let me add few more diagrams. Let me add few more diagrams. This is like option E. Option F. Yeah. Now see this. I have 6 options right now. Which option is suited for females, mothers, and doctors? Logically, which diagram will suit for this females, mothers, and doctors? Is very good. A lot of you people answered correct. Option F is suited. Why? Because of mothers will come under females category. Okay, there are some doctors who are mothers. Okay. Okay, they are mentioning some doctors outside because some doctors are males, some doctors are females. Among females, some may be mothers. There are some doctors who are mothers as well, right? So that's what this option F will be pretty much suited. Okay, females, mothers, and doctors, which is fit for that. Okay, like that for the given words, whatever they mention, you should see which diagram will opt better. This is how they'll ask the questions in government sector. So just hope you understand this model, logical Venn diagram. Okay, for the given sentence, what is the best diagram you have to go ahead, right? Excellent, guys. Now here, so once you are done with this, now let me go for the next slide to discuss few things. Okay, hope you are done till now. Very good. See the next one. Suppose I'll add some more diagrams like okay, option A is this, option B is this, option C. See, these are, maybe see, don't worry, in exam they'll give only 4 options or hardly 5 options. I'm just drawing extra here. Okay. Fine. Now, for example, if my question is, okay, this is the third question we're discussing now. Already 2 questions were discussed related to logical diagram. Now, my third question is, see that carrots, okay, brinjal, vegetables. Which diagram will you use? Carrot, brinjal, vegetables. Now for fourth question is like, okay, city, state, country. Or district, state and country for better clarity. Among the options, which is the best suitable diagram you have to ask. Okay, now black, hair, brown eyes, tall men. Which is the best diagram suited for these 3? Black hair, brown eyes, tall men. Now, yes, just 5 questions is more than sufficient to understand the situation. Yeah. Now, for the third one, what is your option? Yes, very good. Option D is suited. Okay, carrot and brinjal will come under vegetables, right? So, for the third one, your answer is D. For the fourth one, Okay, fifth one also D people are mentioning. Fifth one, see that black hair for fifth one option G is correct. There are some persons who are having black hair and brown eyes. That person may be tall man as well. All these three intersections are possible. There are some persons black hair tall man, brown eye tall man. All the three are also possible. For fifth one, G is the correct one. Black hair, brown eye, tall man, all the three intersection also possible. Only two combinations possible. Only black hair, they may not have brown eyes, tall man. So that's what option G. Whereas for the fourth one, district, state, country. So if you just go ahead, option A is suitable for the fourth one. Okay, district is a part of state is a part of country. So like that you can go. Right? Excellent guys. So like this, you people can just understand for the given terminologies, what is the best diagram opted. Okay. So we should just go through that and we should fix this. Right? Excellent friends. Now let me go for the next. Is it clear? Good. So logical Venn diagram model 3 completed. Model 2 is also completed. When the given diagram, how to answer the questions. Model 1 is not yet done. Data given, how to draw the diagram and how to answer the questions is not yet done. Now let me continue that. Okay. So up to now, hope you people are clear with the things. Now let me discuss the next one. Yeah. Now this question is related to the three courses, three different activities. Next one. Okay, where people have good update in model 1. And again back to model 1. And we have three sports. Model 1. 70 students play one or more of the three sports. Yes, anyone have doubt? I think you people unmuted yourself. Otherwise, you just yeah, you have 78 students now. Okay, but see the first line clearly. Each one participate one or more. So there are zero number of students out of this. Okay, definitely they should participate in one or more of the sports. One of the sports you have, as per the question, is baseball, tennis, golf. Okay. Now, guys, very important is how you people are drawing the diagram as per the question. Now listen, four students participate in all the three sports. Four students is center. All of you listen, my dear friends. So we people have very good update in this question. Four students, okay, will play all the three sports. Right, very good. Now listen, guys, listen. Five play baseball and golf only. Only. Only means you should write here. Baseball and golf only. And two play tennis and golf only. Tennis and golf only. Three play both baseball and tennis only. Okay. Now see this up to here. Okay. If seven students play only tennis, this is only tennis area. One play only golf. One student play only golf. Now question is, how many are only baseball? How many are only baseball? Right. My dear friends, when this is only case, no need to use your formula n of a and b and c is n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus. No. This is like adding the area. Okay, only baseball I don't know. Okay, only baseball. This is only baseball area. Fine. But remaining all, only baseball plus remaining all if you add, we should get. Okay, only baseball and remaining if you add, we should get. See, there are some questions where you have numeric type also. That's why I am mentioning the blank, which represent its numeric type. Now, if you add all this, we should get 78. Why adding? There is no overlap. This is 2, this area is 7, this area is 3, this area is 5, this area is 4, this area is 1. Total area is 78. There is no overlapping happen. Now, if you just go ahead, we have 10, we'll get 22. So, total 56 is the answer, I hope. So, only baseball is 56. See the question, fill in the blank. In TCS and Joho company, you have numeric type questions, fill the blanks is there. Sorry guys. Yeah, 56. Keep in mind, if it is only case, if all are represented in only, if people just add the values, it will give the total. If it is only case, you can just add the value and it will give the total. But friends, next question, we have very good update, but a lot of you people will make good mistake. I'll just display the question and in fact I'll give the time for you. Let's see what people do the mistake and let's try to analyze that answer. Right? Okay, done with this question. Okay, I think so we are done with this question. Let me move for the next. Now, all of you just try this question. Let me know what is your answer. And keep in mind, answer may be all 0 or positive, never negative. Right, let's see this. What is your answer, my dear friends? Okay, 8. Few people mentioned 5. Let us see. Hey guys, are you done with the answer? 0. Here is 0. Okay, few people 2, few people 8, few people 0. All of your options you are covering, right? Okay, guys, let's say this. What is the update? What is the update? Listen to the question carefully. 40 students watch films, okay, watch films ABC over a week. So you have 40 students, okay. ABC are 3 different films. Not now, okay. In lockdown, we don't want to go for the theaters. You can use OTT platforms, right? Okay. So 40 students, fine. Each student watch either only one film or all the 3. Guys, the statement is such a good thing. Each student watch either only one film or all the 3 films. Either one film or all the 3 films. What is that? This is 0. Only 2 films is 0. Either they watch one film or they watch all the 3. Now 13 students watch film A. 13 students watch film A. See the fun, guys. You can learn a lot of things. 13 watch film A, 16 watch film B, 19 students watch film C. Now all the 3 we don't know. Let it be X. All the 3 we don't know. Let it be X. But my dear friends, what is this? Only A is 13 minus X, because total is 13. Total is 13. This is 13 minus X. What is this? Is only film B is 16 minus X. What? How many are watching only film C is 19 minus X. Only film C is 19 minus X. Only film A is 13 minus X. Only film B is 16 minus X. As now all are only case, I can add 13 minus X plus 16 minus X plus 19 minus X plus X. All the 3 is equal to 40. Okay, there is 0. They mentioned one film or all the 3. Each student, okay, watching 0 films is nothing. Okay, the machine should watch one film or all the 3. No one is out of the 0. Now if we just go ahead, see such a good update. 48 minus 2x equal to 40. Hope you people got x equal to 4. Only one among you people answered the correct answer. Only one. Maybe right now I have to check. Yeah, now people are adding into that. Okay, so but still now I think I can 4 people. Joshna 528, 492, Vanita, Santosh 405. Okay, Lanchana is the what? Okay, GV Lanchana mentioned long back. Lanchana is the first candidate 215. Lancet correct. Excellent Lanchana. See this guys, such a good questions. That's why I have framed the questions in such a way that people can get updates. It's not like okay discussing simple questions where we have routine stuff. No, you people should understand the things. You people should always get update. Right? Excellent guys. That's up to those people who answer the next credits. Remember, you don't regret. Okay, just let's take the next chance. At least you people can feel happy. I learned something now. You're not doing mistake in exam. This is like learning. While learning, you can do mistakes. That's happy. If you are doing mistakes while learning, you people can learn more and more. Okay, and you people get succeed in exam. Do mistakes now, learn things, and let's see. You people should be good in the exam point. Excellent, guys. Let's go for the next. I think almost done. Yeah, Venndiagrams is done. So we discussed the three how to handle 3 cases, how to handle only 2. Okay, and I discussed a lot of questions with that model too, where when diagram is given how to handle at least 2, at least 1, all that points we discussed, right? Excellent, guys. Now let me go ahead with the next topic. Let me go ahead with the next topic. Hope people are clear up to now. Okay. So go for the next. So hope you are done with Venn diagram. Okay. Venn diagram completed. For next week, you should be ready. For the exam for Venn diagram concept as well. Venn diagram is added for you right now. Yeah, let me go for the next topic, friends. Averages concept. Now, see this averages concept, friends. Okay, so average is okay. What is average? Average or mean is nothing but I'll let you know why this formula is developed. Okay, people have doubt. Average is sum divided by number of sum of the numbers divided by how many numbers is there. We are discussing in probability related. Okay, so discussion in +2 and in your first year as well. Okay, average or mean is sum by number of. Why? Okay, they define average as sum by number of. That's my question first of all. Why not? We can define as product by number of, or number of by product, or number of by sum. Why average is given as sum by number of? My dear friends, why they define like this is the basic meaning of average is equal distribution. Maintain equality. The main purpose of average is equal distribution or maintain equality. Sir, I'm not understanding what is this meaning. Okay, maintain equality or equal distribution. What is this meaning? I'm not understanding. Right. Now let me consider one simple example, because if you know from basic point, you people can solve the questions just like that. Just like that. Now see this. Why? What is the equal distribution or maintain equalities? Suppose guys, I have 66, 67 and 68. If you want to find the average, see, is all are equal here? Guys, is all are equal here? No. Now average will play a role. When all are not equal, average will play a role. What I am doing, I have to maintain equality, or I have to do equal distribution. I'll take 1 from this 68. Okay, I will add it here. So now what will happen? 67, 67, 67, all are equal. When all are equal, equal distribution happened. Average is 67. Guys, average is 67. You need to do. When all are equal, average is same. Right? So suppose, okay, in a class we have 10 students. all members age is 20, 20, 20, then average is 20. If they are not equal, then average will come into picture to maintain equality or to perform equal distribution. So always require, okay, equal distribution. So then why sum by number of the design? Why sum by number of the design? Now let's see this basic example, my dear guys. So my purpose is equal distribution, right? Now you try to understand what is this sum by number of white is. Okay, suppose we have around 140 students right now. Okay, 140 along with 8 faculty coordinators. Okay, so now 140 students is there along with me. So we have to perform equal distribution. Suppose, okay, all of us are having some amount. Okay, suppose all of you having some amount with you. Okay, some of you may have 100, some of you may have 200, some of you may have 1000. I have 0 right now. Okay, so different amounts is there with us, right? Now, how I can do equal distribution is first we should collect the amount. Let's try to think this, guys. Okay, not right now as it is lockdown, people cannot collect the amount. Okay, but just think in a general way. In a classroom, if all of people we all are there in the classroom, okay, we have different amounts. How I can perform this average equal distribution is first I should collect the amount from all of you. Okay, among this 140 students, I should collect the amount. What is the amount is that I have to divide by 140. Then suppose I have 200 each, I should distribute 200 to all. I should distribute 200 to all. Then all are equal. So average is 200. We should collect the amount from all of you. That is by sum to collect divided by number of. Then I'll get suppose 200. That is distributed to all. That is why average is defined as sum collecting from you. Okay, divided by how many people are there. Then equal distribution is performed. That is what the scenario, my dear friends. Average is nothing but sum by number of. Then why it is defined sum by number of is equal distribution. Why not product by number of is? If you do product by number of, it will not give equal distribution. Is it collect the amount from all of you? How many are there? Divide by that number. That will give equal distribution for all of you. Is it very clear with that point? Is it, guys? Excellent. Now let me go for the next. Let me go for the next. Now, friends, let me see why, sir, when you equal distribution, why you require formula is that suppose if you have more numbers, if you have 10 numbers, performing like this equal distribution directly is not easy. Suppose you have 10 numbers like 60, okay, 15, 20, 40, and 55. Adjusting this equally is not easy. Now, these 5 numbers itself, if you want to adjust equally is not easy. What is better is because sum by number of also same purpose. So 15 plus 55, 70. Already having 120. So we'll get 190 divided by 5. Just like 190 divided by 5. So if you just perform this, we'll get 38. Average is nothing but 38 for this. Okay, so the same thing. In fact, if you do the equal distribution, you will get same. But when you have more numbers, it's very difficult for you people to perform manually equal distribution. That's why sum by number of is designed. Hope you people understand what is the purpose of average. Is it clear? Excellent, guys. Excellent, guys. Now let me go for two important properties of average. Then I'll go ahead with the questions. Okay, two important properties. One I'll discuss right now. One I'll discuss later. Okay, now let's see this, guys. First property, important property of average. One important property. Guys, listen, what this important property is. Suppose I have, okay, just now as we taken some numbers, you take some numbers randomly. I take some, okay, 3 numbers randomly. I'm taking 12, 8, and 7. I taken some numbers 12, 8, and 7. Okay, what is the average for this? Is okay, if you add it, fine, we got 27 sum. Divided by number of 3, we got it 9. Okay, that's I taken 12, 8, 7. I performed average, I got 9. Now listen, friends. Listen, friends. Add 2 for every number. Add 2 for every number. If I'm adding 2 for every number, what will happen? This become 14. This will become 10. This will become 9. Now, if you perform average, Sum is now 24 plus 9, 33, divided by 3 is 11. Okay, just stick on for a while. Now, if you subtract 3 from this, for every number, if you subtract 3, it will become 9, 5, and 4. If you perform average, we got 18. Number of is 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And third one, if suppose if you multiply by 2, if I multiply by 2, we'll get 24, 16, and 14. Now, what is the average? If you perform sum, we'll get 54 divided by 3 is nothing but 18. 18. Now, guys, what is the important property? You know, if I add 2 to every number, if I add 2 for every number, if you add 2, average is added by 2. Just see that. Average is added by 2 now. Previous average is 9. Now average is added by 2. This is important. If you subtract 3 for every number, average is subtracted by 3. That's why 6. If you multiply 2 for every number, average is multiplied by 2. Okay, so see this very basic example I considered. Okay, for every number, if you add 2, average is added by 2. If you add 3 for every number in the group, the average is decreased, subtracted 3, the average is subtracted by 3. If you multiply by 2, average is multiplied by 2. Okay. And guys, don't misuse the links what are shared for you. Okay, somebody are logged in with the same name. For example, 499 with name or name with 499. 2 logins at a time. Don't share these links for somebody else out of your college. Okay, don't misuse that. Right? We're observing every point here and there. Okay, so just try to get update for yourself. Okay, so don't misuse the links what are sharing for you people adding. Right? Now that's this. I observed, okay, one of the roll number in that format. Same roll number, 2 logins at a time. Okay, you just don't misuse that. Right, now let's see. I have a provision to make you people exit. Those who are having that, okay, along with TPO sir, both have that provision. So sir or me or at maybe middle point if we can exit. Among those 2 logins, who are the correct person we don't know. We may quit one among you people. Then what will happen? The 2 person may get they lose the benefits with the session. So just don't do all those things. Okay. Fine, let's go ahead with this. Okay, see what is this property, friends? Now see this property. If each number, just from this example, what we discussed, I can finalize that. If each number is added or subtracted, if each number is added or subtracted or multiplied or divided by k, then average is also added, the new average or okay, average is also added or subtracted or divided by k. Added or subtracted or divided by k. So what is that? Multiplied also, fine, multiplied or subtracted. We just see that. We just see that. So we take an example. We added 2 for every number. We got me average is also added by 2. Is it? If we subtracted 3 for every number, we came to know yes, average is also decreased by 3. Okay, if we multiply by 2, average is also multiplied by 2. So that's what the thing, friends. So hope you understand this property 1. Okay, so just keep in mind this property. If every number, each number is added or divided or subtracted by something, the same thing is there for average is also. Average is also affected by the same thing. Right? Excellent, guys. Now let me go for the questions. See, while discussing the questions, this property, okay, you have to keep in mind. Other thing is, we came to know average equal to, by average is sum by number of, we discussed in the elaborated by, okay, sum by number of, or sum equal to average into number of. These 3 points are quite enough to solve all the questions, my dear guys. So this is what average equal to sum by number of, sum equal to average into number of. Okay, and property 1, what we discussed. Property 2, I discuss later at the end. Okay, fine. These 3 points you have to keep in mind. Average, sum by number of, sum equal to average into number of, and property 1. You may get bored while discuss the questions, repeating the same thing again and again, because most of the questions it will be helpful to use sum equal to average into number of. With that, you can solve the questions pretty easily. Now, guys, let's go for the question. Now, see the first question, my dear friends. Go through the question, what they given. Let me wait for your answers. Yes, still you are taking time. 73, 182, option A. Guys, what is this? Okay, see that. What is the average? Average is 69. Average is 69. Okay, now 4 grace marks are awarded for each student. Each student is awarded 4 grace marks. So the new average is, see, when 4 marks is added, grace marks means 4 marks is added for every student. So average is also added by 4. Average is also added by 4, 69. When average is added by 4, 73. Excellent. 73 is answer. Few of you people may go for 182. Guys, this is not number of students. The question is regarding average, right? When every student is added by 4, the average is also added by 4. It's not about number of students. It will affect number of, okay, average actually. It's not about number of students, right? Pretty clear with that point, my dear friends. Okay, so average will be increased by 4, not number of students. Number of students is fixed already, right? Excellent, guys. Now let's go for the next question. Hope you are clear with this, right? Good. Now at least you people will respond for the second question, I think so. Now let me see how many of you people can answer this question correct. Fast. I'm waiting for your answers in chat box. Guys, let's respond for this. Still taking time. Very good, Shailalita. Yeah, very good, very good. Few people are, a lot of people now responded. Yeah, excellent, friends. 96. Average, we should see about the average. Okay, how many number of students? We don't worry. Average is 32. If each number is triple, average is 32. Fine. If each number is triple, average is also triple. Only effect for average, not number of students. Number of students are not changed here. It's fixed. Resultant average is multiplied by 3. So 96 is your answer. Excellent, friends. Very good to see that the people are responding. Let's see the next question, my dear friends. Yeah, let's see this question. This is not related to the property. Say property is done. Okay, completed with that. I just frame a few questions to understand the property. Very good. Excellent to see that. Now let's see the next question, guys. The average temperature of a town in first 4 days of a month. The average temperature of a town in first 4 days of a month is 36 degrees. That's what is sum? We know average equal to sum by number of, sum equal to average into number of, right? So what is the average here is 36. How many number of days is 4 days? Average is 36, number of days is 4. Sum, okay, first 4 days, first day temperature, second day temperature, third day temperature, for fourth day temperature. Sum of the temperatures is average into number of, so first day, second day, third day, fourth day. If you add all this, average is 36 and number of days is 4. So that's what you just stick in for this. We leave this. Okay, let's consider this is the equation 1. Now, what is the next data they given? Average is now 38 degrees. Average is now 38 degrees, fine. So what is this average? 38 degrees is sum equal to average into number of, right? But now average is 38. But how many days you see? Second day, third, fourth, and fifth, 4 days. Second, third, fourth, and fifth, you have 4 days. That's why into 4. But what is the sum is second day temperature? Is it third day temperature, fourth day temperature, and fifth day temperature? So altogether, this is what the second equation. Now friends, if you just focus here and here, equation 1 and equation 2, three terms are common. Second day, third day, fourth day is common in both. Now if you perform equation 2 minus equation 1, now what will happen? Fifth day temperature minus first day temperature. Why? This common terms will be get cancelled. Fifth day minus first day temperature is 38 into 4 minus 36 into 4. We can take 4 common. 38 minus 36 is anyhow 2. It's like 2 into 4, which is nothing but 8. So what is that? Fifth day temperature minus first day temperature is 8. We just keep this for a while. Okay. That's in a lot of competitive exams. Okay. They'll give first day temperature, you have to find fifth day temperature. Once you got T5, fifth day minus first day temperature is 8. In exam, they will give first day temperature, you have to find fifth day. Or they will give fifth day temperature, you have to find first day temperature. One among that they'll give, we have to find the other one. Okay, but here I designed a question with next level where I given the ratio is 4:5. What is this ratio? First day, fifth day temperature is 4:5. I can say first day is 4x, satisfying that this is 5x. 4:5. Satisfying I can take 4x and 5x. Now, as per equation 3, okay, using equation 3, I can mention that, okay, 5x minus 4x, because fifth day is 5x, okay, first day is 4x, difference is 8. Now we came to x equal to 8. That's what is the question, fifth day. Fifth day is 5x, 5 into 8 equal to 40 degrees. Fifth day is 5x, 5 into 8 is nothing but 40 degrees. That's why option D is correct. That is why option D is correct. Excellent, friends. Happy to see that you people are understanding the concepts, right? Very good, guys. Okay, this is how you can understand. Now let me go for the next. Here, instead of giving the first day or fifth day, they given the ratio of first day and fifth day. Using the data, okay, you can find, okay, what is that first day temperature or fifth day temperature for the given question, right? Excellent, friends. Now let me go for the next question, guys. Now see this next question. Most of the questions will use our mantra sum equal to average into number of. Most of the questions is depends on this. Sum equal to average into number of. Now here, how many persons are there? 9 persons are there. Okay. Among that, 8 persons is spending, okay, 30 rupees each for me. 9th person is spending 90 more than the average of all. So average of all 9 persons is not given. So average of all people, let it be A. Okay. Now sum is what? 8 persons. Each person is paying 30 rupees. 9th person is spending, okay, 20 more than the average. And let it be average is A. As you have 9 persons, 9A. Guys, hope you understand this equation. Why 9? Number of persons is 9. Why A? I don't know the average. Let it be A. Okay. Sum is 9 persons, right? 8 persons are spending 30 rupees each. 8 into 30. 9th person is spending 20 more than the average. So that's why 20 plus A. 20 more than the average. Now if you just use this equation properly, 8A equal to 260. From this, hope you can understand. Okay, it's like, yeah, very good. What is the A value now? 32.5, right? Very good. A value is 32.5 now. Okay, but question is not about the average, my dear friends. Total money spent. How much money spent by all of them? Total money spent, if you just go ahead here, total money spent is nothing but equal to 8%, first 8%. Okay, each one is spending 30 rupees. 9th person is 32.5 plus 20. 20 more the average, so 32.5 plus 20. Finally, we came to know this is 292.5. 292.5. Okay, so let's see that. Option A is correct. Excellent, friends. Very good to see that you got option A. Fine. Hope you're taking the screenshot of this. Let me go for the next. So every question will have some updates for sure. But finally, if you see all the questions at the end, okay, most of the questions depends on sum equal to average into number of. In fact, every question in this topic can be done in that model. But to save the timing, few questions were approaching in a different way, like we discussed in the previous. Okay, if average every number is added by 2, average is added by 2, like that. You can use that tricks and you can play the role. Good to see that, friends. Let's go for the next. Now say this. This is the question which is repeatedly given in all government sectors. In government jobs, this is the question without changing value. They are repeatedly giving this question without changing value. Most of the questions, whatever we are discussing, will appear in your exams in placements without changing the value. Because all of the questions, whatever I frame, is all from your previous companies, previous questions from all MNCs, right? Now, guys, let's see this. In a library, okay, there is an average of 510 visitors on Sunday. On Sunday, 510 visitors and 240 visitors on other days. Okay, 510 visitors on Sunday and 240 visitors on other days. Average number of visitors per day you have to calculate. You have to calculate average now. The question is about average. Okay, but see that the month is having 30 days. That's listen. They given a clue. Okay, you have to find average. Okay, the month is having 30 days starting with Sunday. Why that is important is now listen, guys. 30 days starting with Sunday, meaning first day is Sunday. Is it 7 days after 8th day is Sunday? 7 days after 15th day is Sunday. Again 7 days after 22nd day is Sunday. Again 7 days after 29th day is Sunday. Don't add 7, it will go for more than 30. We have 30 or 31 days, right? Now how many Sundays is there? 5 Sundays. 5 Sundays and 25 other days. See this, guys, in the as per the data, among 30 days, 5 are Sundays, 25 are other days, right? Now, average is sum by number of, average is sum or total by number of, sum or total, no issues in that. Okay, what is the total is, see this, we have 5 Sundays, in Sunday you have 510 visitors, 25 other days, each other day we have 240 visitors. 240 visitors on other days, and on Sunday we have 510 visitors. Okay, now listen, number of visitors per day. The question is number of visitors per day. Okay, numerator is visitors. This is the visitors. How many visitors? Fine. Denominator is days. How many days is 30 days? So visitors per day. Now you can cancel this 0, okay, because 0 is common in all. Now 3, instead of adding and all, I'm just trying to calculate everything directly. 13 ones, 13 8. Now what will happen? 5 into 17, 85. 25 into 8 is 200. So answer is 285. Average is 285, my dear friends. Okay, so 285. 5 into 17 plus 25 into 8. Okay, divided by this all will give 285 is the average number of visitors. Excellent to see that. You people understand. This question is regarding average, right? Excellent, guys. So let's go for the next. Done, right? Good. Now see this question, friends. Very good updates. Very good updates. Here, average marks of 14 students are calculated as 71, but it was later found that one student had wrongly entered as 42 instead of 56. Okay. For another student wrongly entered as 74 instead of 32. That's what happened for one student. Suppose student 1, okay, they entered wrongly as 42, but actual marks is 56. While calculating the average, they wrongly entered as 52. For the other student, second student, okay, they wrongly entered as 74, but correct marks are 32. Okay, so this is the wrong average. First, the calculated average for 71, but these are the mistakes in that. Now you have to find the correct average. See, such a good question, right? There is a mistake. You are going to correct that. You are going to correct that. Now, my dear friends, series, what is the correct average? Listen, what is going to happen? Okay, correct average or average is basically total by number of total marks divided by number of, this is dividing marks, total marks by number of students. Okay, this is okay, sum by number of or total by number of. Here as it is marks, total marks, as it is regarding students, number of students 14. Okay, number of students is 14, no problem. But friends, listen, initially 14 students, average is 71. This is the total marks they got. That's focus now. What is happening? Just try to understand. This is method 1. I'll go with method 2 as well. Don't worry with that. This is method 1. I'll go for method 2 as well. First, what is that? 14 into 71. 14 students, average is 71. So total marks is 14 into 71. But from this, what is the wrong marks is 72 plus 74. I should replace with the correct marks. Is it? The wrong marks are 42 and 74. That I am replacing with the correct marks. See that? Okay, the marks is 14 into 71. 14 into 71. Among that, this wrongly entered 42 and 74 are removed, and I am adding the correct marks 56 and 72, so that now whatever the average you are calculating will be correct. Okay, don't multiply 14 into 71, keep it as it is. Now here, this is 116, this is totally 116, just together, this is totally your 128. Okay, now what is the difference is plus 12. Is it 1 second? 56, this is 32, right? Yeah. Now this is 88. Now minus 116 plus 88 will give you, okay, what is that? It's nothing but, yeah, very good, 28, right? Fine. Divided by 40. Now if you divide by 14, 14 months, 14 twos, 71 minus 2, it's 69. Correct average is 69. So how you corrected from the total marks, the wrong marks are removed, you are replacing with the correct marks. This is method 1. Sir, I am not understanding this method 1. Okay, guys, now see the method 2 using equal distribution. Using equal distribution. Now, all of you just focus here, guys. What is the wrong marks? Wrong marks is 116. Wrong marks are 116. Correct marks for these two students is 88. Is 88. Now, what is this? 28 is what? So guys, if you want to get the correct average, you should decrease 28. Listen, friends, if you want to find the correct average, you should decrease 28. Now, listen, friends, all of you, just listen. What is the average? Equal distribution, right? Now, what is the meaning of that equal distribution? You know, you have to decrease 28, fine, but the 28 also distributed for all. I have to decrease 28, but how many students is there? 14 students. So, how much I have to decrease is 2 per student. For one student, I have to decrease 2. So, if every student is decreased by 2, average is also decreased by 2. That's why average is 71 minus 2, 69. See, guys, if you understand the concept, see the advantage. Okay, without any equation, I'm just done just like that. We're doing this question just like that, is it? So, average, new average is 71 minus 2. Why 71? previous average. Now you have to decrease by 2 because correct marks, wrong marks are 116, correct marks are 88. You have to decrease 28, then you will get the correct average. We are decreasing 28 for 14 students. Okay, because distribution. See, when you start in your local language, the customers అందరికి share చేసుకో అంటారు, right? So that's what this is. You have a loss now. You have 28 loss. That should be distributed for all. If you got a profit, you distribute for all. If you got a loss, you distribute to all. Is it? So you are distributing 2 per student. So 71 minus 2, it's nothing but 69. Right? Excellent, guys. So hope you understand. Average is now 69. Is it? Excellent. Method 2, I don't think that around 130 people are available. Maybe among you people, okay, hardly around 80, maybe in flow. Maybe understanding only around 80. If not, you just try to mention that, so I'll just help you people to understand the things better. Okay. Now let me go for the next question. See this question, guys. So a captain of a cricket team of 11 members is 26 years old. So captain age is 26 years. Fine. Wicket keeper is 3 years older than the captain. So 26 plus 3, 29. Fine. Here 26. Captain. Wicket keeper is 3 years older than the captain. So 29. Right. Now, see, among these 11 members, one is captain, one is wicket keeper, and still you have 9 members. Guys, this question you have very good update. See this, average of a cricket time, we don't know the average of this team. So average age of the whole team you don't know. Whole team in the sense 11 members. Average, let it be A. Okay, fine. If 2 members are excluded, if you don't consider these 2 members, who are those 2 players? We just did this. If the ages of these 2 are excluded, nothing but captain, wicket keeper, captain 26, wicket keeper 29. If we exclude those 2, we have 9 members, right? The average age of the remaining players is 1 year less than the average of the whole team. So this 9 members average is A minus 1. Why A minus 1? Why minus 1? 1 less than the average of the whole team. We don't know average of the whole team. Fine, no problem. But 9 members average is 1 less than the average of the whole team. If overall average of the team is A, so this 9 members average is A minus 1. Right. Now guys, see this. Apply sum equal to average into number of. For this, if you apply sum equal to average into number of, my dear friends, just now concentrate here. 9 members. I don't want to write all the 9 members M1, M2, M3 like that. Previously 4 days temperature T1 plus T2 plus T3. As this 4 I written, but I have 9 members. I'll just mention M1 to 9. What is M1 to 9? Meaning M1 plus M2 plus so on up to M9. M1 to 9 is equal to average is A minus 1. Number of people are 9. Okay, keep in mind this as equation 1. Keep it here. Now, if you apply the same sum equal to average into number of here for the first one, sum equal to average into number of. Right. So here sum equal to average into number of. Now here we have total captain, wicket keeper plus 9 members. Very good. Average is A, as we have 11 members, 11A. See the captain plus wicket keeper plus 9 members, right? Okay, total 11 members we agree. What is the sum of that is captain age, wicket keeper age plus 9 members age, total equal to 11A. Why 11 into A is number of people are 11, average is A. Now, okay, consider this is equation 2. Okay, I don't have space, directly I can write it. So substituting equation 1 in 2. Okay, I'm using 1 and 2 because in 1, okay, substitute into M1 to 9, I'm just replacing. Okay, what is that equation 1? M1 to 9. M1 to 9 is 9 into A minus 1. That I have replaced here. So captain is 26. Wicket keeper is 29. plus m1 to 9 is 9 into a minus 1 equal to 11a. That's now if you see 54 plus 9a minus 9 equal to 11a. That's hope you understand. 2a equal to 46 and a equal to 23. So average of the whole team is nothing but 23. Average of the remaining team is 22. Average of the whole team is 23. Is it clear, guys? Excellent. See, every question format is changing, but still we are applying sum equal to average into number of for every question. Is it? Okay. So different types of questions, but fine. We are going with the same theme, same idea. Yeah. You just take the screenshot cost for the previous question, my dear friend. Done, right? Okay. So I hope you are already taking the screenshot of this. Now see this next question, guys. Yeah, just now I'm mentioning, okay, friends, at the end of the session, especially boys, please try to share your feedback before the end of the session. Okay. Now, friends, let's see this question. Average, okay, age of class of 36 students is 17 years. Fine. So they're given 36 students, average is 17 years. Average equal to 70. Now using sum equal to average into number of friends, there are some shortcuts which is applicable for terms and conditions. It's not required. Just use this. It is 36 students. I'm writing S1 to 36. Okay, S1 plus S2 plus up to 36 students. S1 to 36. Average is 70. Number of students are 36. Just keep this as it is. Don't try to multiply. Don't waste your energy. Let's consider this is equation 1. Now, teacher included. So 36 students, for them one teacher is included. Now average is increased by 1 year. Average increased by 1 year is now average is 17 plus 1, 18 because average is increased by 1 year. Now guys, again you apply sum equal to average into number of my dear friends. So if until you see when you have to apply sum equal to average into number of, when you have to apply average equal to sum by number of, in questions if they mention find average, then only you can use average equal to sum by number of. If you are asking any other factor, you just try to use sum by number of only. Okay, yeah, a few people are responding. Hope you people know the shortcut as well. Okay, fine. But let's see this. Sum is 36 students plus one teacher. Okay, average is 18. Number of people are now 37. Number of people are now 37. Okay. Now, friends, you came to know from the equation 1, S1 to 36 is 17 into 36. Guys, now listen. Okay. Instead of wasting your time for calculations, now all of you see how good you people can solve the questions. What is 7 into 6? What is 7 into 6? 42 ending with 2. Definitely the product is ending with 2 plus t. What is 8 into 7? 56. So this must be end with 6. Right now, say this. There is some number ending with t, and I want answer ending with 6. So t must be ending with 4. T must be ending with 4. See, ending with 2, then ending with 4 only will give ending with 6. So t must be 54. As simple as. Okay, answer is 54, guys. Right? Excellent to see that people are responding. Okay. There is some shortcut, but waste of energy. Okay, people, that is waste of headache. Okay, there is some formula I have to discuss for the shortcut, but that is definitely waste. Okay, hardly 5 seconds difference between this approach and next one approach. But if people just try to understand what is going on, right? Very good to see that. Okay, people are very active. Let's go for the next, my dear friends. Now, see this question. This is pretty much similar to previous one only, but here I am trying to use the word excluded, included like that. Now 24 boys, average equal to 16, fine. Now what is this 24 boys? Okay, among that one boy is excluded. Now what I will write? B120, 1 to 23 plus 1 by, let it be that boy is okay. B I am writing separately. Why I am writing separately? You have 24 boys. One boy is going to exclude. I am writing separately that candidate. Okay, suppose that is 24 boy. One boy who is going to exclude is this one. I am writing separately. So when you know equal to average into number of, so B1 to 23 students and this one 24. Average is 16, number of people is 24. Okay, fine, let it be. Now, what is the next one? Among these 24 boys, one guy is excluded. Now 23 boys. Now one teacher is included. Okay, this is the scenario. Fine. Now what happened? The average is increases by 1. Now average is equal to 16 plus 1, 17. Now what is here? Again you have to apply sum equal to average into number of C. You people get bored up to now. We are applying every question sum equal to average into number of, right? Now 23 boys, B1 to 23 plus teacher equal to number of people are 17. So number of people are 24 only because one boy excluded and one person included. So average is 17. So 17 into 24. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now what you have to do? Perform equation 2 minus equation 1. If you perform equation 2 minus equation 1, common things get cancelled. What is the common thing here and here? B1 to 23, B1 to 23. This is common, get cancelled. Now teacher, okay, age, teacher age minus that person, boy who left is equal to 17 into 24 minus 16 into 24. So 17 bottles minus 16 bottle means 1 bottle, right? So 17x minus 16x means x. Like that, this is x24. But friends, here you can't find the teacher age because if you want to find the teacher age, the boy excluded age is required. Data insufficient because you don't know boy excluded. They have to mention what is the age of the boy excluded. If the age of the boy excluded is given, then only you can find the teacher age. Otherwise, you can't find the age of the teacher. Data insufficient. But guys, don't worry. Okay, a lot of questions they will mention the person who is excluded age or weak. You can include it and you can solve. But here for this question, because some questions may end with data insufficient, cannot be determined. This is one among that, my dear friends. So just stick on for this as well. Right? Excellent, guys. Now let's see the next question. Excellent, data insufficient. Now see this question, guys. Here also you have good updates. Yeah, Aisha, let me go back there. Aisha, I think you are asking about this. Aisha, you can come online. Hope you are discussing about this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, you are just seeing the units place. What is 7 into 6? Units place is 7 and 6, right? What is 7 into 6? 42. So the product is ending with 2. I'm not doing the entire product. The product is ending with 2. That's it. Okay. Plus teacher is equal to, this is 8 into 7, 56. This product is ending with 6.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, the first one ending with 2, the next one ending with 4. The what should be this one? So that ending with 6 will be obtained. This must be, teacher age must be ending with 4. Teacher age must be ending with 4. Only one option, right? You're ending with 4.
Yes, sir.
54 is the only option which is ending with 4. Okay, that's what.
Okay, sir.
Ending with 2 plus something ending what I have to get is 4. Then only we'll get ending with 6 when adding. So teacher age must should be ending with 4. Only one option available which is ending with 4 is 54. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Done. Good. Now see this question, friends. So definitely again we have an update, but finally they're asking you average. Okay. So we know again average is total by number of. Fine. But see this question, friends. Now initially 45 students is there. Fine. 5 of them leave and 5 students join. 5 of them leave, then 5 students join. So totally 45 students only. Don't worry about the total number of students. But what is the thing? See that initially 45 students is there. Okay, average is 52. So 45 into 52. Total weight is 45 students. Average is 52. 45 into 52. From that, 5 students with average 48 left. Then 5 students with average 54 join. That's it. Among 45 students, whose average is 52, 45 into 52. From that, 5 students with average 48 left. Now 5 students with average 54 join. Do you understand this point? 5 into 45 into 52 minus 5 into 48. Why that happened? Why minus? Because they leave. Why plus now? Because they added. Now don't try to multiply at all. Again, don't waste your time, my dear friends. 45 into 52 minus, okay, I will say take 5. This is, see that here 5 into 54. This is 5 into 48. Okay, I'll take 5 common. We'll get 54 minus 48, nothing but 6. Now let me go ahead. 45 into 52. I'll just try to split this. 45 into 52 divided. See guys, please try to unmute yourself. Again, Stanley, what is wrong? Does you have any doubt? See, problem is that while discussing, if there is something problem like if you people unmute yourself, okay, if you again mute yourself, it's okay, good. But if you disturb, I have to just stop my class and I'll get back to the settings and you should mute. It will just definitely disturb the flow, right? Try to understand, my dear friends. You people are pretty much mature right now. Now see this guys, so you just try to see the thing. So here 3 2s, 3 15s, 5 1s, 5 3s. Now what is the answer? You know, 52 plus 2 by 3, or we can say mixed fraction 52 2 by 3 kgs. Option none. There are some questions where you will get none as well. See the calculation part how I did. Okay, one thing good here is the equation how we got y minus y plus. Okay, all that we have to know. Apart from that, okay. So the second thing is calculation. And you can do multiplication and you can subtract all that. Don't waste your time for unnecessary things. You just see that. Okay, I'm just trying to take 5 common. Okay, I got 5 into 6, so I have 45. I'm dividing 45 separately because a plus b divided by c. I can write a by c plus b by c separately. Using that trick, we can do that, right? Very good. 52 2 by 3, none. Summary, yes, 52.6661. Correct. Very good to see your answers. See, consistently, very few people are responding. Reminding also, just guys, try from yourself and just, okay, come forward. And whether the answers are correct or not, no problem. Okay, nothing issues. Now, let me go for the property 2. What is this property 2? Is, see, with that, what we discussed till now, okay, our averages basic concept is completed. Basic, not all the topics is completed actually, but I want to discuss one property. This is average related to arithmetic progressions. Average related to arithmetic progressions. Friends, today I'll discuss. I'll just take 5 minutes more, okay, because Okay, I need to give you a very good update here. Average for arithmetic progression. Now, friends, all of you just concentrate. Suppose if you have a numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, up to this 10 numbers. Okay, is this in AP or not? Is this numbers are in AP? Yes, arithmetic progression meaning we require common difference. So arithmetic progression is required common difference between the numbers, consecutive numbers. The common difference I will say D. Common difference is 1. Yes, this is in AP arithmetic progression. Listen, how to find this for a while? That's listen. How to find sum of this? I'll give you a trick for just see this. 1 into 1, 2 plus 7, is it? Plus 10 is 11, plus 9 is 11. Just see the things properly. I'm finding sum of these values. In the formula, see what you learned in lower standard. I'll just recall you now. So 1 plus 10 is 11, 2 plus 9 is 11, 3 is 11, 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 8 is 11, 7 is 11, 5 plus 6 is 11. All are 11, 11. 1 plus 7 plus 9, 11, 11, 4 plus 7, 11, 5 plus 6, 11. 11, how many such terms? 5 terms, totally 55. Sum of this is totally 55. Okay, okay, fine. Now guys, listen, all of you. What is sum of terms? General formula is, that's listen, how we got this 11? It may be first term plus last term, and it may be second term or last before term. Which is easy is first term plus last term. First term is 1, last term is 10. With that I can get 11. First term plus last term. Very good. Okay. How many number of terms here? 10, right? How you got 5 is number of terms divided by 2. Number of terms divided by 2 will give 5. Number of terms is 10. Divided by 2 is 5. This is what, my dear friends, sum of terms is in AP is actually number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. See, all of you just wait for a while. You have very, very good information to understand what that means. Any progression, what will your A, B, like A plus D, A plus 2, so on. What is the nth term? Nth term is A plus n minus 1. Now, you recall sum of n terms in AP. You just recall your lower standards. Sum of n terms in AP. How we got this formula is that.
Sir,
Let me
your
know
voice is
how many terms here.
sir.
How many terms here? Yeah, fine. Remaining, is there the same problem? Yeah. Okay. Okay, from what point of time you have the issue? Shall I repeat the previous property 2 or before that the problem is there?
From starting, sir.
From property 2 or before question also?
Property 2.
Yeah. See, property 2, this is for average applying for arithmetic progression. Fine. So, arithmetic progression is having common difference. We need common difference then between the numbers. Then we can say it's arithmetic progression, right? Now, here, take 10 numbers. I'm just taking for easy understanding. Consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I taken 10 numbers. Is this in AP? Yes, because difference between consecutive numbers is 1. Okay, that is in AP. Very good. Now here, what I have to find sum of these terms if you want to do. 1 plus 10 is 11, 2 plus 9 is 11, 3 plus 8 is 11, 4 plus 7 is 11, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11, 11, 11 like that. How many such terms is 5? Okay, 11 into 5 is 55. From this example, I am developing a formula for you. How the formula is developed is, see how you got 11 is 1 plus 10, first term 1, last term 10, 1 plus 10, 11. Okay, or 2 plus 9, 11 like that. Which is easy is always first term and last term. So first term plus last term is 11. So fine, first term plus last term. How you got 5 is number of terms here is 10. You have 10 terms here, 10 numbers. Okay, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So number of terms divided by 2. So what is the generalized formula is sum of terms in AP is number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay, now just stick on for a while. Here, you know in lower standard arithmetic progression, first term is A, okay, second term A plus D like that, where D, A is the first term, A is nothing but first term, D is common difference, and nth term is like A plus N minus 1 into D, right? Now, sum of N terms, if you just see that, how many number of terms? N terms, number of terms by 2. What's the first term A? Last term is nth term here, A plus N minus 1 into D. That's if you just recall, this is the formula you by heart in your lower standards, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This is what sum of N terms in AP. This is what the formula they're given, but that is all from the basic point. Sum of N terms is N number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. Guys, wait. You know, sum of natural numbers, sum of n natural numbers is also developed from this. What is sum of n natural numbers? Is natural numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Sum of n natural numbers starting with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n. Sum of n natural numbers. Number of terms is n divided by 2. What's the first term is 1, last term is n. 1 plus n can be written as n plus 1. This is how sum of natural numbers formula is developed, my dear friends. See, there is a reason behind every formula. Okay, this is this in AP? Yes, natural numbers are always in AP. Sum of terms in AP is yes, number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. But guys, listen. What is average of terms in AP? Average is sum by number of, right? Sum of terms in AP divided by number of terms. In that side, number of terms if it goes to this side, see such a simple thing. First term plus last term divided by 2. First term plus last term divided by 2. If numbers are in AP, this is what my property 2 guys. I'm not giving the formula directly. I'm giving the information what is required. Average of terms in AP is first term plus last term divided by 2. Why? You know, sum of terms in AP is already number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. This number of terms, if it goes to left side, I can say it's like first term plus last term divided by 2. As simple as. Is it? Does you have an update here? Yeah, just take the screenshot, guys. Okay, I'll just display the previous also. Now let me discuss one question related to that. Okay, and I'll just stop this session. Now also voice breaking. No, right? Is it clear now? Yeah, hope you're taking the screenshot of this page, whatever displayed. I'll just go back to the previous one as well. Yeah, you take the screenshot. You should know, you should learn. I mentioned already long back. Okay, I don't go in the formulas. If formula is required, I'll show you how to develop that. Now see this. So, yeah, hope you've taken the screenshot of all this. Now let me go ahead with the question. Just stay with me for 5 minutes, friends. Okay, now let me go for the question. This is the last one. We'll just stop the session after this. Okay, with this average is completed, in fact. So average of all multiples of 10 from 2 to 198. All multiples of 10 from 2 to 198. So what are the multiples of 10 from 2 to 198? Is 10, 20, multiples of 10s, 30, 40, so on, 180 and 190. Okay. Now, is this in AP? Yes. Common difference is 10. This is in AP. That's what is the average now. First term plus last term divided by 2. If you people don't know this property, see what is the time taken to solve this question. Imagine, right? Thank you so much, friends. So average is completed. Venn diagram concept completed. 2 topics we completed today, and we'll go ahead with the other topics tomorrow. And hope you people learn the things. And guys, please try to share your feedback before leaving the session. And if you have any doubts, let me know. Kindly let me know what is your doubts. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So please share your feedback. Okay, thanks for your stay up to now. Thanks for your patience listening. Please share your feedback. Okay, I'll just try to see about that voice breaking for last. I'll try to rectify it. Maybe some network issues, I think so. Whether you got update or not, let me know that point. Are you better than yesterday? Will you learn anything in this today's session? Please mention that. Okay. Venn diagram, maybe you learn something in that. Maybe you learn something. Okay, this averages concept also, especially this progression point, and what is that exact meaning of that average also. Hope you people learn, right? Okay. Yes, any doubts? Please let us know, my dear friends, especially boys. Please share your feedback, or you can unmute yourself. You can ask the doubts, okay, and you can leave for the session otherwise. Okay, thank you so much, guys.